A teacher is a student's past, present, and future. He makes him aware of the wonders that he can do and fills his life with infinite hues. He surprises the children with the tests, so when life takes their test, they don't get surprised, and even if they fail, they know how to rise. None of the child belongs to him, but he leaves no stone unturned to make them win. Their mornings are chaotic, and so are their nights. Still, they keep radiating the light, from genius minds to the ones who are not considered so.
They hold the beauty of creation in every flower and help it blossom. They have to teach the Jinn monks as well as those whose attention spans are as small as a flea. They still manage to maintain an equilibrium and make sure that we all grow as strong and as independent as a tree. Our lives are aimless without a teacher. He is our past, present, and future.
The primary school teacher from a village in Maharashtra made headlines in October when his name cropped up in the top 10 finalists for the USD 1 million annual Global Teacher Prize 2020, recognizing his efforts of promoting girls' education and triggering a quick response coded textbook revolution in India.
The sale arrived at the Zilla Parishad Primary School in Partavadi village in Solapur district in 2009 when it was dilapidated building, sandwiched between a kettle shed and the storeroom. He took on the task of turning things around and ensuring that the textbooks were available in the local language for the pupils. The sale not only translated the class textbooks into his pupils' mother tongue but also embedded them with a unique QR code to give students access to audio poems, video lectures, stories, and assignments. The impact of his interventions has been that there are now no teenage marriage in the village and 100% attendance of girls at the school.
As we saw in the documentary, the teacher does not change the life of a student or just his family, but builds a staircase of growth for the generations to come. The roots of development of a nation lies in its education system, and the backbone of education system are teachers. So eventually they have a direct role in the fruitful growth of our nation, and we are proud to say that our teachers are doing that beautifully. Days are not made to be thankful to the people. Every second of our life should be filled with gratitude towards our parents, soldiers, and teachers. Days are made to express that thankfulness. So, this Teachers' Day, make sure that you practice as much gratitude as you can towards your teachers and make them aware of the magic that they are and of the magic that they do to our lives. Also, to add some information, Teachers' Day was started on the recommendation of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who is a former president, a philosopher, a Bharat Ratna awardee, and has a colossal contribution in Indian education system. Teachers' Day was first celebrated in the year 1962 when he stated that teachers should be the best mind in the country.